you see, with leadership style, for me, I think it's a question of where you're working. I don't think there is one leadership style that works everywhere and in every role. So it depends very much on the situation, your team, what you want to achieve, who are your partners. So I think that the best leadership style is an adaptive one, and one that can be humble when needed, and can be authoritative and proper leading when instead appropriate. So I think I experimented with different leadership styles in different situations, and I'm glad that I did, because that gives you that flexibility that is needed, I think, to be a proper leader in a system where, let's be honest, nobody understands everything and nobody's competent in everything. You have to trust a wide team that may well be much larger than your own organization. It might go beyond the walls of your institution or your system even, and you have to trust people that, especially during the pandemic, are behind a camera or not even behind a camera, just a voice. And I think that was the biggest lesson. I mean, it is that building trust and being respected, but also respecting others, so that it's reciprocal. I think it was the way that I developed my leadership style, and the pandemic was an accelerator for a lot of us, because we were all pushed into roles that would have probably been years in the making for peacetime, let's say. While the COVID pandemic accelerated really the growing up of a whole generation of public health consultants. So it was a really sad and traumatic time, but also a very important time, and very powerful for many.